still a storm moving quickly northeast,
bringing areas of really heavy rainfall.
Flash flooding ongoing throughout much of North Carolina and Virginia.
A rocket launch failure forced a NASA astronaut and a Russian cosmonaut to make an emergency landing.
Nick Hague and Alexei Ovchinin were rescued without injury.
Social Security just announced a 2.8% benefit increase starting next year.
An extra $39 a month for the average retired worker.
I put this hat on, it made me feel like Superman.
10 minutes from Kanye West with the president today inside the Oval Office.
If you don't look good, we don't look good. If racism is control,
You might not have expected to have a crazy one like Kanye West run up and support, but best believe we are going to make America great.
I'll tell you what, that was pretty impressive.
Great news, Jeff Floor in Panama City, Florida. I am standing in front of what was a local business here. One of the staggering number of buildings and houses that have been either damaged or destroyed following Hurricane Michael. Michael has now claimed 6 lives as victims were recovered here in the Florida Panhandle and in Georgia and North Carolina. 11-year-old Sarah Radney was killed by debris that ripped through the roof of her home in southwest Georgia. More than 24 hours after Michael made landfall on this coast, the scale of the destruction is
Today is October 12th, 2018, Friday morning.
20 miles east of here before and then
3:03 a.m. I am Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Praying for all these people to get their life back straight from Hurricane Michael.
This coast was hit and how widespread that damage is. It is helpful to see it from the sky. More, we did that today. We're going to show you that in just a moment. But we're going to begin with Manuel Bojorquez in East Point. That's about 60 miles southeast of us.
A view from above Mexico Beach, Florida shows utter devastation. Today, FEMA called this tiny tourist town Ground Zero. Michael's 155-mile-per-hour winds decimated homes. Businesses were reduced to piles of scrap metal. Neighboring towns along the Panhandle didn't fare much better. So we've made it to East Point, Florida, and this is the type of damage that we're seeing around here. Looks like the entire corner of this building was just sheared off. This is what's left of the gym at Jenks Middle School in Panama City. The roof and walls ripped away. The Hornets volleyball team was scheduled to play their semifinals here yesterday. Roads throughout the Panhandle's coast remain treacherous. Driving down the road here, and you can see some of the pretty big debris that's been scattered about. The semi here, it almost looks like it was bent in half and just thrown to the side of the road there. Block after block littered with debris, fallen trees, and tangled power lines. This is something you're going to see all over the Panhandle, and that's power crews moving in and out of the area to spots where they're needed to try to get those power lines back up and restore the electricity here. It's going to be a long few days for them. Today, staff and emergency workers at Gulf Coast Regional Medical Center transported more than 100 patients to regional hospitals, starting with the most critically ill. Back in the hardest hit sections of East Point, today was cleanup day. That right there, that's the water line. Keith Millender has lived in this house his entire life, and he's never seen a hurricane quite like this. But he says he also won't let Michael take him away from here. How do you rebuild?
Time.
Time? Little by little?
Little by little, time.
But this is home. You don't plan to leave.
Oh, no, I ain't going anywhere.
Keith's home is just down this highway, Highway 98, which remains largely impassable tonight. And here's why. The storm surge literally ate away entire lanes of this highway. This is what first responders are having to get around tonight, as well as people who are returning home to see what is left. Jeff?
Just under 700,000 homes and businesses in 4 states are still without power tonight. We're going to go to Omar Villafranca now, just east of here. You just saw some of Mexico Beach. He was on the ground there where it made landfall.
From above Mexico Beach, a town of more than 1,000 people, it looks like it was hit with a bomb. Row after row of homes were
This is 300 miles from me, about 360 miles from me. I'm in Jacksonville, Florida.
10-foot storm surge leveled almost everything in its path. We followed first responders as they went door to door for the first time looking for survivors who rode out the hurricane. Everything else looks intact. Sounds good. This crew from Louisiana Task Force 1 has worked big storms in the past, and Dan Simon says this catastrophic damage looks familiar.
What we're standing in right now is what Katrina did to New Orleans, and especially the lower ninth ward.
Just over here, there's some
I remember Katrina. I was in New Orleans, 2005. Been in Jacksonville, Florida since December 2014.
This was oceanfront property, and these people took the brunt of Hurricane Michael.
The whole wall was moving back and forth.
Mike Marcial lives in one of the hardest hit areas. He lost everything, but just wants to let his family in California and Colorado know he's alive.
We're okay. Call you as soon as we can. We love you. God spare us.
First responders estimate it will take months and for some, years to fully recover. But for now, residents say they just need a little help.
Have no jobs. Nowhere to go. Can't get out. Don't have a lot of money. What do you do next?
The debris piles here in Mexico Beach are 15 to 20 feet high, and they are everywhere, and they stretch for miles. And they're blocking many of the main roadways, making it difficult for first responders to get around. Now, FEMA and the National Guard are here, but I talked to several residents who told me
Praying, boy. I'm praying for all people, man. I pray every day. I pray every night. I mind pray. I mind thanks the Lord every day. I believe in Him. I accept Him in my life since 1993. This is not God work. It's just the evil of this world work.
Customer satisfaction. Shooters always has the firearms and accessories you want, and always at the lowest price. There really is no need to go anywhere else. See more, save more, only at Shooters.
The gold bucket is still